Elevated curtsy lunge plus dumbbells, lateral raise plus mini band. How to do it. 1. Setup. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, arms by your sides. Place a mini band just above your knees. Stand with one foot on a small step plate, slightly elevated, other foot on the floor. 2. Start position. Core tight, chest up, slight bend in knees. Keep tension on the mini band. Don't let knees collapse inward. 3. Curtsy lunge. Step your back leg diagonally behind your front leg. Curtsy motion. Lower into a lunge while keeping your front knee aligned outward against the band. 4. Lateral raise, simultaneous or on the way up. As you rise back up, lift both dumbbells out to the sides to shoulder height. Slight bend in elbows control the movement. 5. Return. Lower the dumbbells back down. Step back to starting position. Repeat, then switch sides. Muscles working. Lower body. Gluteus medius, side glutes. Main focus, band plus curtsy ankle. Gluteus maximus, power and drive upward. Quadriceps, knee extension. Hamstrings, stability and control. Inner thighs, adductors, balance during cross-back step. Upper body, deltoids, especially lateral delts, lateral raise. Trapezius, upper traps, assist in lifting arms. Rotator cuff, shoulder stabilization. Core and stabilizers, obliques and abs, balance plus anti-rotation. Hip stabilizers, control knee and pelvis alignment. Benefits: builds hourglass shape. Targets side glutes, plus shoulders, harsh wider hips and shoulders illusion. Improves lower body stability. The elevated plus curtsy combo challenges balance. Burns more calories. Full body compound movement, legs plus shoulders. Strengthens knees and hips. Mini band helps train proper knee tracking. Enhances coordination. Multi-movement, lunge plus raise, improves mind muscle control. Variations, beginner options. Remove dumbbells, focus on form. Do lateral raise after standing, not at same time. No elevation, flat ground curtsy lunge. Intermediate, keep elevation plus band. Alternate arms for lateral raise, one at a time. Advanced, add overhead press instead of lateral raise. Pulse at the bottom of the curtsy lunge. Slow tempo, 3-4 seconds down. Heavier dumbbells plus stronger band. Glute-focused variation. Lean slightly forward during lunge. Push through front heel. Keep constant band tension outward. Shoulder-focused variation. Perform a pause at the top of lateral raise by 1-2 sec. Use lighter weight, stricter control. Common mistakes to avoid. Knees collapsing inward. Fight the band. Swinging the dumbbells. Use control, not momentum. Leaning too upright reduces glute activation. Going too heavy too fast. Losing balance due to rushing reps. Pro tips: think. Step back, out, and low for better glute engagement. Keep tension on the band the entire time. Exhale as you stand and lift the weights. Start with 8-12 reps per side. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more workout.